Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to add a comment to a Google slide in Google Slide Decks. So let's say you're working on something collaboratively and somebody has an idea that they want to share. You can click on Insert and Insert Comment, and then just type your comment. Looks nice. All right, now notice this comment appears in my view. If you want to see the comments in your view, maybe you're trying to deal with whatever the person commented on and fix it or implement their idea or whatever, and you want to see it, great. Otherwise, if you don't want to view comments, just go back to View, and we're down here where it says Show Comments. Just make sure that that is unchecked, and now I no longer see that comment, even though the comment is still there. Now, if you do have a comment here, you can mark it as resolved and hide the discussion, or if you click on the other menu, you can edit it, send feedback, see emoji reaction details, or get a link to that specific comment.